Hey pool lovers! Maintaining your pool just got smarter. Today, we're reviewing the 2025 upgrade WYBOT 4-in-1 Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner, a next-gen cleaner that does it all: floor, walls, drains, and even your waterline. Whether you've got an in-ground or above-ground pool, this powerful cleaner promises spotless results and total convenience. WYBOT has redefined what pool cleaning means. With triple motors, wireless smart control, and a long 150-minute runtime, this cleaner is designed for pools up to 1,614 square feet. Plus, with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, you can manage your cleaning schedule right from your phone. 4-in-1 cleaning function. This cleaner takes care of floors, walls, drains, and water lines, ensuring a complete, top-to-bottom clean. Triple motor power. 3 high-performance motors provide superior suction for removing dirt, debris, and even fine particles. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity. Control cleaning modes, view progress, and schedule cycles from the WYBOT app, total convenience at your fingertips. Cordless design with 150-minute battery life. No cords, no tangles, just 2.5 hours of smooth, autonomous cleaning per charge. Smart navigation system. Equipped with intelligent path mapping, the cleaner covers every inch efficiently without repeating or missing spots. Full coverage cleaning, handles the entire pool effortlessly. Smart control via Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, easy to use and flexible. Cordless and quiet, powerful yet tangle-free operation. Slightly pricey compared to simpler models. Takes a few hours to fully recharge. The 2025 WYBOT 4-in-1 Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner is a powerful and intelligent cleaning solution that keeps your pool looking perfect all season long. Water Wave. It's smart, efficient, and super easy to use, perfect for anyone who wants a truly hands-free cleaning experience. Check it out now on Amazon. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit that thumbs up like button, subscribe bell for more smart pool tech, and drop a comment letting me know what cleaner you want reviewed next.